Hi guys, in this video we are going to do an amazing experiment by a paper and a cup of water. First take a cup of water as shown in the video. First cut on paper like an boat shape shown in the video. There will be a gap on the paper. You should apply a chemical on it. Then leave the paper on the water. You can see the boat moving. We can see the reason how it's happening. First, we can see what is the chemical I have applied on the boat. The chemical is a shampoo. We can apply any brand of shampoo on the paper. I have loaded the shampoo in an syringe. Then you should cut on paper like this, leaving a gap on the center of it. Then apply the chemical on the gap. Then leave it in the water. You can see the boat is moving. This is because of the surface tension.